What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today we're going to talk about one of the coolest features that I've seen on an e-bike here. We have the HyperScorpion Express, and it comes with an alarm and a key ignition, and this is literally the coolest feature. I love it, and here's why. First off, it has a single key and it's locked with the ignition. So this has a locked ignition, so in order to make the bike active, bloop, it won't start with that, it doesn't activate with that, and you can't actually operate any of the electronics without this being turned on. So this is an incredible feature. Pops it off. Next up is, it has an alarm, and I think this is so smart. It has a horn, it has an alarm, and both of those features are for security and safety. One being, I want drivers to know where I'm at. I want drivers to know that I'm on the road, and if God forbid I need people to get out of the way really quickly, I have an actual horn. So here's what it sounds like. Like that's how loud the horn is. This is how loud the alarm is. This works regardless of whether the bike is on or not. It operates off of a separate battery, which is important because I don't want to drain my riding time battery with my alarm system. All right, so there's 4 buttons on your remote. First one is the lock button. So right now the bike is unlocked. So I'm going to hit the lock button. So now that second beep is to just assure you that the bike is officially armed. The second button on the remote is the unlock button. Now the bike is unlocked, meaning if anybody comes up to the bike, moves it, messes with it, you're not going to get that alarm sound. The lightning bolt function changes the sound, so it gives you 3 different sounds. Ooh. Okay, so 5 different sounds. And the bottom one, the alarm bell, it just helps you set that that's what's the alarm that's going to be when you engage the alarm sound. So the first thing about the armed feature is that as soon as I hit the lock button, which means I'm going to arm the bike with the alarm, you have to wait for the chirp at the end to know that your bike is officially armed. So now that the bike is armed, if somebody or me messes with it, it's going to give me a chirp, alerting me that the bike is armed. But then if I persist in messing with the bike, the actual alarm sounds. It's very loud. I love this thing. I think this is incredibly smart. I wish that all of my bikes had it. So I think Juiced did an incredible job installing this alarm. And I bet you can install aftermarket alarms to all of your bikes, but why? I like that it comes stock with that. Eliminates my work. I just want to get out on the road. And for a commuter bike, this is an awesome feature if you're doing deliveries and stuff. So Juiced, awesome job with this. We love it. Excited to be able to use this feature.